12 Best Foods to Repair and Prevent Nerve Damage. Nerve damage is increasingly becoming a health crisis, impacting over 20 million people in the United States alone. Conditions like peripheral neuropathy from diabetes or conditions like multiple sclerosis can profoundly affect one's quality of life. Symptoms such as nerve pain, numbness, weakness, and cognitive impairments can stem from the degradation of nerve cells. The encouraging news is that adopting a smart diet can aid in repairing damaged nerves and preventing further decline. Various foods contain potent compounds that promote nerve cell regeneration, reduce inflammation, enhance signaling, and safeguard the myelin sheath that envelopes nerve fibers. In this video, we'll explore the top 12 superfoods backed by science for their nerve-nourishing benefits. Ranging from antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents to essential fatty acids and vitamins, these foods offer support for your nervous system's recovery. Stay tuned, as some of these healing foods may surprise you. 12. Chia seeds. At the top of our list are chia seeds, small yet power-packed seeds that offer immense benefits for your nerves. A mere ounce provides a remarkable 158% of your daily manganese requirement. This vital mineral aids in neurotransmitter synthesis, nerve impulse transmission, and the responsiveness of the nervous system. Manganese also plays a role in metabolizing cholesterol, amino acids, and carbohydrates to generate energy. Acting as a potent antioxidant, it shields nerve cells from harm. Chia seeds are additionally rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which enhance the function of the myelin sheath. Their antioxidants safeguard nerves against oxidative damage, while magnesium alleviates neuropathic pain. According to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Molecular Neuroscience, supplementing with chia seeds significantly alleviated neuropathy symptoms and enhanced nerve conduction velocity by 29% in diabetic rodents. Incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your daily routine by mixing them into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Opt for white or black chia seeds and store them in an airtight container away from sunlight. Chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel, making them perfect for puddings and baked goods as well. 11. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with an array of vitamins and minerals that support nerve health. A single medium-baked sweet potato with its skin intact boasts over 3 grams of fiber and abundant quantities of vitamins A, C, B6, and manganese, all essential for nerve function. Vitamin A facilitates nerve impulse transmission, while vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, combating free radicals and inflammation. Vitamin B6 assists in neurotransmitter activity and nerve signaling, while manganese contributes to the formation of the myelin sheath, aiding in the swift transmission of nerve impulses. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed a diet rich in vitamins A, C, B6, and manganese experienced a 52% reduced risk of peripheral neuropathy symptoms compared to those with a low intake of these nutrients. Roasting diced sweet potatoes in the oven enhances their natural sweetness, making them a perfect complement to salmon in a nourishing nerve-boosting bowl. Aim to incorporate 1 medium-baked sweet potato into your diet 2 to 3 times per week, ensuring to keep the skin on. Opt for firm, evenly shaped sweet potatoes without any blemishes or bruises. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice renowned for its compound curcumin, stands out as one of the most potent anti-inflammatories globally. Chronic inflammation is believed to underlie many cases of neuropathy. Multiple studies have underscored turmeric's neuroprotective properties. According to research published in the Journal of Pain Research, an 8-week curcumin supplementation regimen resulted in a remarkable 60% reduction in the intensity of neuropathic pain. This benefit was attributed to reduced levels of inflammatory cytokines. Turmeric also plays a role in neutralizing oxidative stress, thereby shielding nerves from damage. A study in neurotoxicity research revealed that curcumin facilitated nerve regeneration in rats with crushed sciatic nerves. Incorporate 1/4-1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into various dishes such as golden milk, lattes, oatmeal, soups, and stir-fries. The presence of piperine in black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Opt for fresh turmeric root or pure ground turmeric powder, and consider curcumin capsules, typically providing around 500 mg per serving. 9. Eggs. Let's delve into the benefits of eggs, one of the most nutrient-rich foods renowned for preventing and alleviating nerve damage. Just a single large egg supplies 10% of your daily vitamin B12 requirements. This water-soluble vitamin is pivotal in myelin synthesis and nerve cell functionality. Depleted vitamin B12 levels are associated with nerve degeneration, numbness, and balance impairments. According to research published in Neurology, vitamin B12 supplementation over a 12-week period resulted in a notable 30% reduction in neuropathy symptoms and a 50% decrease in nerve fiber damage among diabetes patients with deficiencies. Eggs are also abundant in choline, a vital nutrient essential for acetylcholine production, a key neurotransmitter crucial for nerve communication. Aim to incorporate 1 to 2 eggs into your daily regimen, prepared in your preferred style. When feasible, opt for pasture-raised eggs, and employ gentle cooking methods to retain their nutrient profile. Pair eggs with nutrient-rich greens like spinach and kale to further enhance your nerve protective intake. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds emerge as an excellent plant-based reservoir of nutrients beneficial for nerve health. A mere 1 ounce furnishes nearly half of your recommended daily intake of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant renowned for shielding nerves from oxidative harm. Vitamin E collaborates with vitamin C to thwart the degradation of myelin by free radicals. Studies indicate that a heightened dietary intake of these antioxidants correlates with a 35% reduced likelihood of peripheral neuropathy development. Besides vitamin E, sunflower seeds offer a spectrum of B vitamins, magnesium, selenium, and copper, all contributing to nerve well-being. Copper aids in myelin formation and amplifies the efficacy of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Aim to incorporate 1 ounce, approximately a quarter cup, of sunflower seeds into your daily routine. Sprinkle them atop oatmeal, yogurt, and salads, or integrate them into homemade grain-free granola bars. Opt for raw, unsalted sunflower seeds, and store them in the refrigerator to forestall rancidity. 7. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms claim the 7th spot on our list for their immunity-boosting properties, which play a crucial role in preventing and shielding against nerve damage. This medicinal mushroom harbors polysaccharides such as lentinin and aritatinines, known to stimulate the body's synthesis of nerve growth factor, NGF. NGF is pivotal for nerve regeneration and recuperation post-injury. In a 2014 study, rats with partially crushed sciatic nerves experienced enhanced muscular function, nerve signaling, and myelin sheath tissue regeneration upon receiving shiitake mushroom extract compared to the control group. Additionally, shiitake mushrooms are a rich source of B vitamins vital for nerve protection. Cooking shiitake mushrooms aids in breaking down polysaccharides, so aim for 2 to 3 ounces of raw shiitakes daily. Incorporate sliced mushrooms into veggie wraps, stir-fries, and salads to savor their savory flavor and nourish your nerves with a satisfying crunch. 6. Dark chocolate. Who would have guessed that chocolate could offer such remarkable benefits for your nerves? The cacao found in dark chocolate is packed with flavonols, polyphenol, and proanthocyanidins, all of which have been shown to possess neuroprotective properties. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition revealed that consuming approximately 1.4 ounces of dark chocolate powder containing 1,000 milligrams of flavonols led to a 35% reduction in oxidative stress biomarkers in healthy individuals after just 15 days. Additionally, research published in Neuroscience Letters demonstrated that participants who consumed 0.5 ounces of high-flavonol cocoa powder daily for 3 months experienced significant enhancements in blood circulation and oxygenation, thereby mitigating the risk of nerve damage. When selecting chocolate, opt for varieties containing at least 70% cacao, and be mindful of portion sizes. Indulge in a thumb-sized 1-inch square after dinner, accompanied by antioxidant-rich berries or nuts. This delectable and nerve-nourishing treat promises a satisfying and healthful experience. 5. Blueberries. Our fifth superfood pick, blueberries, offers one of the most potent antioxidant profiles, providing immense benefits for your nerves. Bursting with anthocyanins, proanthocyanidins, resveratrol, flavonols, and more, these vibrant berries act as powerful defenders of nerve health. Blueberries' robust ability to scavenge free radicals can effectively stave off neuropathy development and symptoms. In one study, daily consumption of blueberries for just 6 weeks led to a notable 27% reduction in oxidative stress biomarkers, coupled with elevated levels of protective antioxidant enzymes. Moreover, blueberries combat inflammation through pathways like COX-2 inhibition, while their fiber, vitamin C, manganese, and folate content contribute to overall nerve well-being. Aim to include 1 cup of fresh or frozen organic blueberries in your daily regimen. Incorporate them into smoothies, mix them into yogurt and oats, or relish them as a refreshing snack. During peak season, stock up on blueberries and freeze extras to enjoy their benefits year-round. 4. Green tea. Claiming our fourth spot is green tea, renowned for its abundant catechin antioxidants, including the potent EGCG, which not only shields nerves from damage but also fosters tissue regeneration. A study published in Scientific Reports showcased the efficacy of green tea extract containing 50 to 100 mg of EGCG, which remarkably reduced painful symptoms of peripheral diabetic neuropathy by 65% in just 4 weeks. Researchers concluded that epicatechin, present in green tea, may contribute to delaying nerve degeneration and dysfunction. A meta-analysis featured in Nutrition Journal amalgamated data from 11 studies, revealing that the combination of EGCG and L-theanine found in green tea significantly enhances cognition, memory, focus, processing speed, and attention, all crucial facets of healthy nerve function. Indulge in 2 to 3 cups of premium matcha or sencha daily, opting for organic loose-leaf tea whenever possible, as it boasts higher polyphenol content compared to tea bags. Enhance your tea with a splash of lemon, known to boost catechin absorption by up to 5-fold. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts emerge as our third superfood, offering formidable protection against nerve damage and symptoms of neuropathy. These nutritional powerhouses deliver a triple-threat combination of nerve-protecting nutrients. A mere ounce of walnuts provides a remarkable 91% of your daily requirement for plant-based omega-3 ALA. Omega-3s play a vital role in forming healthy nerve cell membranes and facilitating the regeneration of the myelin sheath. Additionally, walnuts are rich in biotin, copper, manganese, vitamin E, and essential antioxidants like melatonin. According to a study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System, multiple sclerosis patients adhering to a walnut-enriched low-saturated fat diet exhibited a 25% enhancement in motor coordination skills compared to the control group that did not consume walnuts. Incorporate 1 ounce or approximately 14 walnut halves into your daily routine. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and salads to harness their protective benefits for your nerves. 2. Avocado. Avocados clinch our second spot, boasting a wealth of nutrients essential for nerve repair and rejuvenation, such as vitamin K, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and more. Half of a single avocado furnishes 20% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin E, an antioxidant renowned for safeguarding nerves from harm. The monounsaturated fats present in avocados possess anti-inflammatory properties and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants. Avocados' vitamin K plays a pivotal role in ensuring optimal myelin sheath thickness, thereby facilitating proper nerve conductivity. A study featured in the EPMA journal discovered that multiple sclerosis patients supplemented with vitamin K experienced a notable 34% enhancement in myelin integrity, coupled with reduced fatigue and anxiety levels, and an overall improvement in quality of life compared to control groups. Incorporate half an avocado into your daily regimen by seamlessly integrating it into smoothies, breakfast dishes, sandwiches, and salads. Opt for ripe avocados to maximize nutrient absorption and savor their delectable flavor. 1. Salmon. Salmon claims the top spot as the ultimate food for safeguarding against nerve damage. Without a doubt, this omega-3 powerhouse outshines all others in its ability to nurture and shield your nerves. The anti-inflammatory essential fatty acids EPA and DHA, abundant in salmon, play a crucial role in constructing flexible and permeable nerve cell membranes. This promotes swifter transmission of nerve impulses, enhancing your agility and responsiveness. Moreover, omega-3s elevate the levels of myelin-producing oligodendrocytes in the body while concurrently diminishing pro-inflammatory cytokines. Population studies have established a compelling link between regular fish consumption and a remarkable 60% reduction in the risk of peripheral neuropathy. A comprehensive review published in Neurology revealed that individuals with high omega-3 intake exhibited a staggering 70% reduction in myelin damage within the spinal cords compared to those with lower intake levels, particularly among multiple sclerosis patients. To ensure optimal nerve protection, aim to incorporate at least 12 ounces or 2 6-ounce servings of wild-caught salmon into your weekly diet regimen. Revel in a variety of delectable dishes such as salmon patties, lox and bagels, and salmon tacos. Opt for healthier cooking methods like roasting or grilling to preserve the nutritional integrity of the salmon. With this definitive list of the top 12 superfoods, you now possess the key to naturally prevent, mitigate, and even reverse nerve damage, promoting enhanced health and vitality. By embracing a diet rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods, you can fortify your vital nerves, ensuring sharper cognition, robust strength, impeccable balance, and seamless coordination throughout life. Endeavor to incorporate a diverse array of items from this list into your weekly meal plan for optimal nerve health and overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.